Everybody, welcome to another sidestepping cold adventure. The wind's kind of getting rough. This is September, or not September. This is November the 9th, Sunday. Where's my brain? Thank you for your service, sir. I don't think there's anything on the back. Nope, there ain't. So like, share, and subscribe. And I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.